When you search for windshield sun shades, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, AutoVer Foldable Sun Shade. First up is the AutoVer Foldable Car Windshield Sun Shade. Priced at just $8.99, it caught my eye with its universal fit and bestseller badge. If you want reliable protection from the sun without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The dimensions of 64 inches by 32 inches provide ample coverage for most sedans, SUVs, and trucks. So here's why this matters for you specifically. It keeps your vehicle cooler, which can make those scorching summer drives much more bearable. With 4.3 stars from over 2,800 reviews, many users rave about how effective it is at keeping their interiors cool. Now, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to fold back into its pouch. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a small price to pay for the cooling comfort it provides. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want a simple, effective solution. Skip this one if you drive a larger vehicle and need something that offers more coverage. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if the folding issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an umbrella design. Product number 2, N-Moist Windshield Sun Shade Umbrella. Next up is the N-Moist Windshield Sun Shade Umbrella, priced at $39.99. This caught my attention with its innovative ice crystal cooling material. If you want something that offers enhanced cooling and superior sun protection, this one is worth considering. The unique design distributes heat evenly, keeping your car's interior at a comfortable 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the military-grade durability means it's built to last, with enhanced flexibility thanks to its spring structure. With a 4.2-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, users appreciate its ease of use and effectiveness at blocking harmful UV rays. However, some users found it a bit bulky when storing. But honestly, once you see how well it performs in keeping your car cool, that slight inconvenience becomes a minor detail. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and easy to store. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those specifically looking for a vehicle-specific fit. Product number 3, EcoNur Toyota Tacoma Sunshade. Coming in at number 3 is the EcoNur Windshield Sunshade, specifically designed for the Toyota Tacoma, priced at $18.99. This caught my eye because it's tailored for a perfect fit. If you own a Tacoma and want maximum protection, this is definitely worth a serious look. The 4-layer construction reflects sunlight effectively, ensuring your car stays cool even on the hottest days. With a 4.4-star rating from over 120,000 reviews, it's clear that this product meets the needs of Tacoma owners. Some users did mention a snug fit that may require adjustment during installation. But here's the thing, once you get it positioned right, you'll appreciate how well it holds in place and protects your vehicle. This is perfect for you if you drive a Toyota Tacoma and want custom protection. Skip this if you own a different vehicle. For the quality and fit, it's a great buy. Now, if you're looking for something more universal, the next one might just be what you need. Product number 4, EcoNur Truck Windshield Sun Shade. Next on the list is the EcoNur Truck Windshield Sun Shade, priced at $16.99. It seriously impressed me with its universal fit for larger vehicles. If you need something that can protect your truck's interior, this one's worth checking out. Made from durable 240T polyester, it effectively blocks UV rays and keeps the interior cool, preventing damage from prolonged sun exposure. It pops open instantly and can easily be folded back into the included pouch, making it super convenient for daily use. With a 4.4-star rating from over 120,000 reviews, it's clear this has become a favorite among truck owners. However, some users noted that it can be a bit oversized for smaller trucks. But honestly, if you have a larger vehicle, the extra coverage is definitely a plus. This is great if you want a reliable sunshade for your truck. Skip it if you drive a compact vehicle that doesn't require such size. For the price, it's definitely worth it. Finally, let's wrap things up with a product that offers a unique two-piece design. Product number 5, Ezzy Shade Windshield Sun Shade. Last but not least is the Ezzy Shade Windshield Sun Shade, available for $14.42. I was intrigued by its unique two-piece design that allows for maximum adaptability. If you're searching for something that fits well and is easy to use, this might be the perfect choice. It's compatible with various vehicles and offers flexible installation options, so you can find the best fit for your windshield. With 4.3 stars from over 23,000 reviews, it's well loved for its efficiency and ease of use. A few users mentioned that the two-piece design can be slightly cumbersome for single-handed installation. But honestly, once you see how much cooler your car gets, that's a small trade-off. This is perfect if you want flexibility and a reliable fit. Skip it if you prefer a single-piece design. For the versatility, it's a solid buy. To wrap up, we've seen the Autover Foldable and Moist Umbrella, Eco-Nur Tacoma Specific, Eco-Nur Truck, and Ezzy Shade Sun Shades. Each offers unique benefits depending on your needs, whether it's budget, durability, or vehicle fit. Choose wisely, and you'll enjoy a cooler, more comfortable ride all summer long.